Oh, hello, hello. I just said Hex, highest of Tex, highest of Tex, highest of Tex. Yeah, guys, this is Maurice once again. This is Hex, Hex on Palestine. Yeah, this is this is mad. This is mad. I think I'm on. I think you can hear me, guys. Yeah, this is Maurice. This is at any terms you can call me either. I'm also representing DMS Crypto Hub, Demosa Crypto Hub. This is an hub of interested people who are just doing their research on assets, on different assets. We have different instruments. Yeah. These are cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that you can be able to store value, you trade, you buy and sell, and do lots of things. They have very many use cases. Yeah, so yeah, just to explain a small background of what we do, these are assets that have strategies on which you can do so much. You can you can do so much. Like for instance, this is hex. You can stake it for a period of one day to 15 years. You get any amount that you want. Uh, so there are two bonuses: the bigger pays better bonus, and the larger pays better bonus. So you pay either of you buy and lock this asset. You get either of those two bonuses. Yeah, and yeah, you can create a ladder, you can create so much. There is a very big, uh, this is a very big code that you haven't even cracked it, like even a bit. There are very many things that can happen with this asset, and we have seen it in inception, like the very first times when it launched. Yeah, it was launched back in 2023. Now this is PHEX. Of course, back HEX was launched in 2019 and it was under the Ethereum blockchain. So we have the EHEX, Ethereum HEX, that was launched on the Ethereum blockchain. And as Ethereum developed some issues with transactions and all that, then it was forked. It was forked by Richard Hart. So Richard Hart is the founder of HEX and PulseX Inc. and now ProveX. Yeah, so he forked it, and then we had Palestine, and then we had now Hex on Palestine, now the one that you are looking at here. So we are looking at its inception in 2023, and this is how it has been performing. Once again, each candle here represents price performance each week since it was launched. Yeah, so since 2023 up to right now, we are in February 9th, 2026, a span of 3 years. Yeah, and this is how it has been performing. The green candlestick represents bullish momentum. The red candlestick represents bearish momentum. Bullish momentum means from up to up, down to up, and selling momentums means up to down. Yeah, so the bulls attack from down up, like the way a bull attacks you. All right, and then now we have a bear, it attacks you from the up down. So this is how this market is represented by that analogy, and this is price. So we are just studying price and its performance and how it is behaving right now. So yes, this is quite interesting because this is hex, and we have seen it has done another. It has recorded an all-time low, all-time low, all-time low. This is the price it has it has reached. since it was launched. Yeah, this is the price of 0.001434, the all-time price low. And we can see previously last week it has printed a bullish hammer, just to show it might a bullish hammer, it might reverse at this point. So we are waiting to see this week how it is going to perform. Yeah, the price representation will tell us. So this is the map, the general map. We can have this resistance again, the all-time high. It has ever reached 0.031. Yeah, this is hex on a pulse chain blockchain. So this is the all-time price it has ever reached. Okay, 0.03131. Yeah, the hex on pulse chain. But on EHEX, on Ethereum, the all-time price was 0.56. Yeah, so $56. So this is pulse hex. This is hex on on this is hex on pulse chain. Yeah, so we are going to maybe pull another trend line there just to see uh this resistance is the resistance zone, where it is, and maybe what we are anticipating. We are anticipating for price to break out of this trend line. Yeah, but now we are seeing these small improvements. Yeah, so this is just like a small of like a top down analysis analyzing how the current price performance of hex right now, the current price performance of hex right now. This is the current price performance of hex right now. It's drawing lines like the peaks, the highest point it has been, and the next maybe place that we are anticipating for price to reach. Okay. Yeah, so previously, since October 2025, we have been seeing these lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, and these are the lower highs, and right now this is a all-time lower low. We don't have any of these. Unless it gets broken, that's when we'll invalidate it. But then now this is the price performance right now of hex in the last like 3 days. This is how it has been performing. It has been bullish. We can see the two uh, crossway, the two rails candlestick here, and let me zoom that up. Yeah, I think you are following. You can be able to follow up that chart, how we are we are zoning it in. So this is how it is performing. So we are waiting for it. We are anticipating for price uh to break to break out of to break out of to break out of this trend line here, maybe retest it and then continue up to get either if it gets rejected at this point, that's one scenario, or it will break out of this area, almost retest it, and then probably retest it and then keep on going up. Those are two scenarios that we are waiting, or it might even get rejected here and continue maybe consolidating. We might see a consolidation here before it breaks out, but then it will depend with the current market structure right now. Like this is just analysis, this is just forecasts. No one is sure what will happen, but with the current news that ProveX is launched, we might be anticipating for price to break out of this zone here and now aim to for this other trend line here. So those are my 2 cents. I can see it's 10 minutes already, so I won't make this video any longer. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to get an in-depth of clean analysis of these assets and many others. Thank you.